what do we need? We need you. We need us to work in technology to build these systems to support our kingdom. E ngā mana, e ngā reo, e ngā rauranga tira mā, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. O te whātulo atu, I le paia e tapa au ma masiofo. Whape foi, le mamangu o tū lātoa ma tausi. Ai maise, le paia lasi o au auna le li, te māma tinale ngā luenga, ta inane mā ave ese. Malo le soifua maua, malo le soifua maua malangi mama. Malo le lei whānau, how are you? Malo le lei, there we go. Malo le lei. My name is Namulau'ulu Eteroa Lafaele. I am the co-founder and director of Faigamalaga. Faigamalaga in Aotearoa has been an engine of supporting all our Pasifika people in technology and also building skills and AI capability. Today, I have the honor to talk to you about STEM. Do you know what STEM is? Delegation, do you know what STEM is? Fantastic. S stands for science. Can you say science? T stands for technology. Can you say technology? E is engineering. Can you say engineering? And last and not least, M, mathematics. Let's hear it. Mathematics. Fantastic. So, every phone, every camera that's taking a photo of us today has people that have worked in STEM. But the problem is, the beautiful kingdom of Tonga, is that there are not many of our own people building these tools. Can I hear a, oh no? Exactly. So, what do we need? We need you. We need us to work in technology to build these systems to support our kingdom. So, remember, I'm not here for long, I'm here for a good time, but there are 3 things I want to leave with you. Number 1, always be brave. Be brave to go through technology, because if it isn't us, then who else? 2, always remember, technology is for all of us, not someone out there, over there, past the bridge. No, you. And last and not least, ask questions. Question everything. It is your right and you must learn in order to understand technology. So, to wrap up today, the beautiful kingdom of Tonga, I have a mea alofa or a gift for you. I have built my legacy piece, which is called Eti Fixes the Glitch. Can you say with me, Eti? Oh, come on, the kingdom of Tonga. Can you say Eti? Fixes the, with the mana, glitch. Oh, one more time, glitch. Fantastic. So, on behalf of myself and my sisters at Faigamalaga, would like to give this beautiful small donation to this beautiful school. Eti Fixes a Glitch. I hope you get to see yourself in technology. Whaftai te lava, malo apito. Bless.